crypto, right? Bitcoin, Dogecoin, all these other coins. Everybody seems to be investing in crypto this past couple of years, obviously. And today I want to talk about the 5 reasons why I don't invest in Bitcoin or any other crypto for that matter, and neither should you. For those of you watching me for the first time, my name is Alony, and on this channel I want to talk about entrepreneurship, business and personal finance. I have been an entrepreneur for over 15 years now. I've built many businesses, some failed, some succeeded. My current business is a digital media company. We're located in Las Vegas. We're doing very well. And if you want to learn about entrepreneurship and business in general, please hit subscribe, like this video to see more. So the first reason that I don't invest in crypto or Bitcoin is the obvious reason is that I don't understand it, right? I usually don't like to invest in things that I don't really understand in, because when you lack the knowledge to understand something, how can you feel confident about your investment, right? When you invest in real estate, most people know enough about real estate to buy a few houses or buy 1 or 2 houses because you already used it, you lived in it for most of your life. I think it's the same thing with crypto and Bitcoin, right? Most people that do well with crypto and Bitcoin, they are seasoned investors in the stock market or in other types of digital or virtual investments, right? I don't believe that my time will be well spent investing in crypto. This is what, we talked about it in previous videos, what's called opportunity cost. What is the cost of not doing something? So for me, not investing in crypto, I think has a higher return by investing my time and money in other areas that I know much more about. So a lot of people who invest in crypto and Bitcoin already have a lot of experience in stock investments. Take people like Stephen Graham, right? He started in real estate, but he has a lot of experience in stock as well and has a large portfolio. Jackie, right? Andre Jackie. I've been following them both, and they both do great things, but both of them have massive experience in investing. They don't just throw their money on something that they don't understand and hope for the best. This is not gambling, right? I mean, for people who don't understand, it could be a little bit like gambling, but for the seasoned investor, it's a calculated risk that they feel comfortable taking. All right, the second reason I don't invest in crypto is that people who usually invest in crypto or Bitcoin have lots of previous experience investing in general. I touched on it in the first note, but I want to expand on it now. Right? I mean, I know nothing about stocks. I know nothing, well, not nothing, but not enough about stocks or cryptocurrencies and all that digital coins for me to feel comfortable to invest. A lot of seasoned investors, a lot of seasoned stock investors, they feel more comfortable investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And the most important fact is that they don't mind losing money. A lot of times you have to understand with investing in the stock market or in digital coins, you need to be okay with losing some of your money. And if you're not, most likely this is not the right path for you. And this is something that you develop with experience. The more you invest in stocks in the market, the more you get used to putting your money at risk. And I think that's a very important psychological aspect of investing, is that having the right mindset and knowing that you can invest money that potentially can go to waste. All right, the third reason I don't buy Bitcoin or invest in Bitcoin is because it's too volatile, right? It goes up, goes down. Every day is a new thing with this coin or coins. Every day there's a new coin jumping on the scene and everybody's talking about it and buying it and whatnot. I think it's not stable enough of an investment that I would feel comfortable in investing. I like investments that grow slowly but stably over time. Bitcoin can be $30,000, $50,000 today, $20,000 tomorrow, and it did happen. If you look at previous months or years for Bitcoin or Dogecoin or any other of these coins, you can see it's very volatile. Sometimes it's way up, sometimes it's way down. And this is just not the type of investments that I like. So if you're like me and you don't like too volatiles and you prefer to invest in something that's more stable, maybe real estate, maybe online businesses, whatever it is, then maybe Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is not the best choice for your money. Fourth reason I don't invest in crypto is that I think it's more of a gamble at this stage. It's early stage, right? A couple of years ago, no one even knew what Bitcoin is, what Dogecoin is, what Ethereum is. So I think at this point, it's basically like gamble, and even, top crypto investors will tell you they got lucky, right? A lot of them got lucky, a lot of them don't, and they lose money, they lost money. But a lot of them got lucky because, like I said before, it's too volatile. It goes up and down too strongly. It doesn't show any specific patterns yet, like the more seasoned stock or the general stock market. So it's very hard to predict at this point, and a lot of investors just took a chance on the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency or on some of them, and they got lucky. And I'm sure a lot of them will tell you themselves, right? I'm not saying you don't need luck, right? Business is sometimes about luck as well. But if you connect all the previous points that I talked about, I don't think you can get lucky if you're like me and you don't understand it, right? It's too volatile, it's not stable. You don't have experience as an investor in stocks or in similar natures. So, right, you create your own luck. Someone who's a seasoned investor and has invested in similar things creates his own luck, and he bets on the cryptocurrency or some of the coins, and he got lucky and won. I don't feel I will get lucky if I will do that. That's another reason why I don't invest in Bitcoin, and I think you should not invest in it too. All right, the fifth reason I don't invest in crypto or Bitcoin, and neither should you, is maybe the most important one, and it relates to business in general as well. Most Bitcoin gurus and most business gurus, for that matter, only show you when they win, right? When you see on YouTube or on Instagram and all these other social networks, they drive the Ferrari, they have the big company. You only see the end result. You don't see how they got there. You don't know how much they lost along the way. You don't know how much they sacrificed. Like most entrepreneurs, I'm sure Bitcoin gurus and cryptocurrency investors lost a lot of money along the way, and most people, when they lose a lot of money along the way, either they ran out of money or mentally they just quit, and then they take the loss and move on. And when that happens, is that you could potentially really damage your financial life, because if you took a bet on something and it went against you and you quit, basically you just said, I lost the money, I'm in a bad place right now, let's go do something else. So similar to Bitcoin and in business, right? Most investors and entrepreneurs don't quit, they follow through, right? It takes a lot of time to find success. And again, connecting all the dots that I talked about in this video, I don't feel comfortable about investing in crypto because of all those reasons. Maybe the fifth reason is the only reason that I do feel comfortable, because as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, I don't have a problem with enduring. I don't have a problem about losing money, obviously, but I'd rather spend my time and money on other investments. Now, think about that. Recap all the 5 points that I mentioned in this video, and think about if you're the type of entrepreneur who's more like me and prefer to invest in businesses or maybe real estate and not bet your money on crypto. Where do I think Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are going in general? Honestly, I have no idea. just another reason that I don't invest in it, because I have no idea where it could go. It could go away tomorrow. It could blow up and become even more massive. Obviously, at this stage, you'll probably never really, I don't want to say never, but it will probably stick around with us for many years to come. But I don't know at what level, and I don't know what the real worth of cryptocurrency is yet. So these things are, in my opinion, are still not clear as this new thing evolves and develops over the years. So my personal take is that I don't understand it. It's too early, it's too volatile. I don't have enough experience. So I'm going to stay out, and my backlight just died. So that means maybe I should wrap this video up. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.